here's how to delete a page on your Wix website. So first you want to open up the Wix editor, and you want to come over to the left-hand side where you see the pages and menu section on the sidebar here. From here, you can see all of your pages that you have on your Wix website. Now let's say we want to go ahead and get rid of the projects page. So what we can do is we can click this button right here, and we can click where it says hide from menu. Now that's going to remove it from this menu here at the top, but it's also going to keep the page in case we want to access it again. But let's say we are for sure wanting to remove the page completely and we will never want to access it again. What we could do is tap the button again and click on words. And I was going to ask to make sure that you want to actually delete that page. And once you delete it, you can't actually get the page back. So just keep in mind that if you delete a page, it's going to be gone permanently. So if you're for sure want to delete the page, go ahead and click on where it says delete. And that's going to delete the page permanently, and it will no longer show up on the website or on the sidebar here. And that is how you can delete a page on your Wix website.